morning student. Today we have discussed the topic modern periodic table and its electronic configuration. Today we have discussed the topic electronic configuration. What is meant by electronic configuration? The electronic configuration means we have studied in 9th standard electronic configuration, valency and different types of cells. What is meant by electronic configuration? The number of electron and the arrangement of electrons in different cells are called as the electronic configuration. How many cells are present in an atom? 4 cells are present: K cell, L cell, M cell and N cell. Then what is meant by valency? The number of valence electrons are present in its outermost cell are called as the valency of that elements. Then we have also studied in last lecture, we have to study the modern periodic law and position of the modern periodic table. How many elements are discovered? Total 118 elements are discovered. Different scientists and their arrangement of in Henry Moseley in his modern periodic table, 118 elements are discovered and their arrangement increasing order of their atomic number. In a modern periodic table, the periods and groups are there present. What is meant by periods? Periods, the horizontal rows in a modern periodic table are called as the periods. How many periods are there? 7 periods are there. What is meant by groups? The vertical columns in a modern periodic table are called as the groups. How many groups are there in modern periodic table? 18 groups are there. Then on the basis of their electronic configuration, then periodic properties or periodic trains and groups, they have their changes on the basis of their electronic configuration. Then first we have to discuss here modern periodic table and electronic configuration. Within periods, neighboring elements differ slightly in their properties, while distant elements differ widely in their properties on the basis of their electronic configuration. Here, hydrogen having atomic number 1, helium having atomic number 2. Then hydrogen having how many cells are required? Only one cell are required. Which cell? K cell are required. Then helium having atomic number 2, 2 electrons are present in its outermost cell. So how many cell is required? How many cell required? Only one K cell are required. Here hydrogen are one cell required, helium also one cell required. So period only both elements having their only one cell are required. So the hydrogen and helium is period number 1. Then second period, the lithium having atomic number is 3, beryllium having atomic number 4, boron having atomic number 5, carbon having atomic number 6. Then electronic configuration here 2 and 1. Here beryllium 2 and 2, boron 2, 3, carbon 2 and 4. So cell is required. Lithium is 2 cell, beryllium also 2, boron also 2 cell required, and carbon also 2 cell are required. So in second period, having second period element, how many cell are required? 2 cell are required, KL, and having the period is the second period. Also period is third. Atomic number of sodium 11, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. Then magnesium atomic number 12, having their electronic configuration 2, 8, 2, KLM. How many cells are required? The third period element is 3 cells are required. So period is called as the third period of elements. Having their properties, within periods, the neighboring element differ slightly in their properties. So having hydrogen having 1 electrons are present, helium is the neighboring element, 2 electrons are there. Only how many cell is same, but added only 1 electrons in its same cell. Here lithium also K and L cell and 1 electrons added in also same cell. Beryllium also same, only 1 electrons are increases added in the period. So that slightly change, but from in their properties while distant from lithium to carbon, how many electrons increases? 3 electron are increases. So the while properties distant element differ widely in their properties. Then second point, element in the same group shows similarity in the gradation in their properties. In group from periods are property change from left to right, so it is called as period, and having properties from top to bottom, in a group from top to bottom. So they having their first is top to bottom. So first group here the first group are there: hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. So hydrogen having atomic number 1, having their required cell K, and lithium having atomic number 3 and their 2 and 1 in its outermost cell, so 2 cell required. Sodium having 3 cell are required, 2, 8, 1, and potassium having 19. They are having electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and 1. How many cell are required? K, L, M and N. So in a group from top to bottom, from top to bottom. How many? So number of cells are increases by 1, but in its outermost cell 1 electron are there, here 1 and here 1. So in a group elements in the same group, in this group is the same, all elements in the same group shows similarity and gradation in their properties, and these characteristics of the group and periods of the modern periodic table are because of the electronic configuration. All the study of all the properties in period and group on the basis of their properties, on the basis of their all the changes of properties is on the basis of their electronic configuration. Now second topic here, groups and electronic configuration. So here the number of valence electrons in all these elements from group first, that is the family of alkali metal, is the same similarly. So here group first having their in its outermost cell 1 electron. So same group shows same or similarity characteristics, similar properties. So that group and first having their outermost cell only 1 valence electron are present. So that group is called as the alkali metal, and their properties having their elements is the same, similarity. The elements from the other group, we will find that the number of valence electron is the same, and the beryllium, magnesium, calcium belonging to second group, and that is the family is the alkaline earth metal, and there are 2 electrons in its outermost cell. Beryllium having in its outermost cell 2 electrons, magnesium also 2 electrons, calcium having atomic number 20, electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and 2. So K, L, M and N. In its outermost cell 2 electron, in its outermost cell 2 electrons. So this group is called as the second group, and in its outermost cell 2 electrons. That group name is the family is alkaline earth metal. Then halogen. The element having the fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine in its outermost cell having 7 electrons from the group 17 are called as the halogen family. Halogen family means the group 17, fluorine having atomic number 9, then chlorine having atomic number is the 17, then having electronic configuration 2, 7, then having electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. So in its outermost cell, how many electrons are present there? 7 electrons present, and that group name is called as that family name is called as the halogen family. So we have discussed or studied with the help of electronic configuration in periodic properties in a group. So first group having their shows in its outermost cell 21 valence electron, that family is called as alkali metal. Then group second having in its outermost cell 2 electrons are present, that group name is the alkaline earth metal. And halogen having their present in its outermost cell 7 electrons, so that group is called as, that family is called as the halogen family. In the group from top to bottom, and within any group 1 electronic cell are added, and hence electronic configuration in the outermost cell is the characteristic of particular group. So here hydrogen having 1 cell are required, lithium First group having 2 cell required. So here hydrogen to lithium, 1 cell is added. Lithium to sodium, 3 sodium having 3 cell. Lithium having 2 cell. How many cell added? 1 cell is added. Sodium having 3 cell, potassium having 4 cell. So how many cell is added? 1 cell is added. In a group, a number of cell is added. All these topic discuss about with the help of by electronic configuration. Now another topic is the periods and their electronic configuration. We have to in 9th standard we have discussed the topic different type of cell and having their capacity. Also we have studied again in 10th standard. So first K cell, how many cell are present in an atom? 4 cell are present. K having n is the number of cell. K having 1, L having 2, N having 3, N having 4. Then their formula 2n square. N means number of cell. How many number of cell? K having 2 multiplied by n is the how many cell? K is the number n, 1 and 1 is the square. So 2 multiplied 1, 1 square is the 1. So K cell having capacity is there 2. Then L 2 multiplied by L, and n is the number is the L cell 2. 2 into their 2 square is the 4. 4 to 8. Then M 2 multiplied by n is the 3 square. 2 multiplied by 3 square is the 9 and having their capacity is the M is the 80. Then N cell and 2 multiplied by n is number 4. 4 square is the 16. 2 multiplied by 16 having capacity of the n cell is the 32. So K having capacity 2, L having capacity 8, M having capacity 18 and N having capacity 32. On the basis of their periods and electronic configuration, on the basis of their 4 cells, and we have to study the electronic configuration and write down the electronic configuration on the basis of their 4 cell and their different cell. They have their capacities are there, and their capacities we fill the number of electrons in that different type of cell. For example, we have to write the electronic configuration. For example, sodium having atomic number is the 11. So 11 electrons are present in that sodium atom, the number of electrons. So having their first sodium, we feel the first cell is the K having their capacity. How many cell? How many? 2 capacity are there. We have to first put 11 electron into, they have put in first cell is the field K cell 2 electron. Remains is how many electrons are remaining? 2 is in the K cell, 9 electrons are remain. And another next cell is the number L. L is the capacity having 8. So 2 plus 8, 10. How many remaining electrons in its outermost cell of the sodium? Is 1 electron. They are shifted. In another cell is the M cell. In its outermost cell, how many electrons are there? Is the 1 electrons are there. On the basis of their electronic configuration, all the periodic properties, periodic trains with the help of by electronic configuration. And also another example, magnesium having atomic number is the 12, having their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the having their, so magnesium atomic number first cell is the 2, K cell is the 2 electron filling, then L cell is the how many electrons are filling, 8 electron capacity are there, and last how many electrons are remains? 8 plus 2, 10. 2 electrons are remains are there, and they are put in the M cell. On the basis of their electronic configuration and all the arrangement of electrons in different cell are arranged, so fulfill the electronic configuration. And we have to study in this lecture modern periodic table and electronic configuration, in groups and electronic configuration, and periods and electronic configuration. Thank you.